Big lot, big space, and big potential. Welcome to 518 Beresford Avenue, right here in the heart of Lord Roberts. This 2.5-story is full with charm and character, with nearly 1,600 square feet of living space, plenty of room for your family to grow and move into. Upstairs, you will find 4 good-sized bedrooms, plus this additional room that is currently being used as a walk-in closet that could easily be transformed into an additional 5th room or a great home office. The basement is unfinished but insulated. It is a great canvas to expand your living space and make it your own. And here's a rare find, a double oversized garage complete with a rough-in for in-ground heating. If you've been searching for a great character home right here in Lord Roberts with plenty of room to grow, plenty of storage, and situated on a great lot, 518 Beresford is the one to see. Let's get you inside for a showing today.